Electric potential. We know that electric current is the rate of flow of electric charge. But what is the reason which makes the charges to flow inside an electric circuit? So electric potential is the reason behind the flow of electric charge. But how? So in order to understand that, we'll take an example here. Consider two identical containers. These two identical containers are filled with waters at different heights. I'll name the first container as container A and second container as container B. As you can see, the heights of water in both the containers is not same. Okay, the container A contains more water as compared to container B. Now what I'll do, I'll connect these two containers with a pipe. Now what will happen? Because of the pressure difference in both the containers, the water starts flowing from container A to container B. Correct? So similar to that, if I replace this water molecule with charges, electric charges, let's suppose these water molecules are electric charge. So this difference in charges will create a potential difference between the containers A and B, and this difference is created by the batteries or the cells. Okay. Now these charges are actually the electrons here. Okay. So in container A we have larger number of electrons as compared to the container B. Okay. And what happens in cell, we have two terminals. One is positive terminal and another is negative terminal. The positive terminal shows here that there is a shortage of electrons on this side of the cell, and the negative terminal represent that there is an excess of electrons on this side. And when we connect both these ends with the help of a circuit, the electrons starts traveling from the side which contains larger number of electrons to the side which contains lower number of electrons, in order to balance the number of electrons on both the sides. So that is how the charges flows from one point to another point in an electric circuit. So the main reason is to balance the amount of charges on both the terminals. Thank you. Hope you understand.